Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to do this mail call plus a thank you to Danny Risbit. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. He was having a giveaway on his channel, commenter giveaway, and I won. So I thought I'd one, thank him, and two, show you what I got. Alrighty. We got paper. What we got is the UCO Candle Lantern Kit 2.0. It's one of the few things I don't actually own is a UCO lantern, so I do appreciate that. So here's the lantern. It's a cool little guy. Remove sticker before using. I've actually never used one of these before. And it looks like it comes with a little stuff. Looks like a fleece stuff sack for it. I like that. Oh, looks like there's something on the bottom. What's on the bottom? Oh, it's candles. So that's cool. They come with candles. They look just like the, well, they're probably not the same as the tea candles you get at the dollar store, but I wonder if you can actually use those. You guys still have some left. Now, doesn't this thing... Okay, so I thought it extended upward. I guess not. Maybe I'm thinking of another light. So that is super cool. So I'm not going to remove the sticker for now. I'm going to have to... Hopefully I can get a camping trip in before the weather starts getting crummy, but I'd like to use that at camp sometime. That would be wicked cool. I don't see why you couldn't store these in here like that and just take them out when you need them. That's really badass. Thank you, brother. Do appreciate that. And that's going in my... It's going in my kit. Sweet. So that is super cool. Camera gonna tip back. I do appreciate that, brother. I will definitely be using this at some point. And I will look it up on Amazon and link it in the description if someone wants to go take a look at it. I actually don't have the stats for weight. Oh wait, no. 2.5 inch wide, 4 inch high, 3.5 ounces. 450 BTUS, burn time seconds. Is the U stand for I mean, I'm gonna go with that. 4 hours of candle power and 20 lumens. That's cool. That's funny. I don't know how I come up with this shit. Anyway, I will link Danny's channel down in the description. I do appreciate you watching. And is there something else in here? I felt something down at the bottom. I wasn't sure what that was. Oh, it's instructions. So that's what I was feeling. But I'll just leave them in there for now. Very cool. Alright. Well, once again, thanks for watching. I'll still link it in I'll still link the Amazon link if I can find it in the description so you can go take a look. Catch you next one.